Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices inched lower as cautious investors braced for the U.S. Federal Reserve's guidance for tapering and interest rate hikes, while risk-off sentiment stoked by China Evergrande's debt woes limited declines. The pound to U.S. dollar exchange rate has fallen to a 3-week low as souring market sentiment boosts demand for the safe haven dollar. In a much-anticipated move, trading app Robinhood is currently experimenting with unveiling a crypto wallet to give users the option to send and receive popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin on its platform.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 1400 GMT, Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 300 GMT, Australia's Commonwealth Bank Services PMI at 2300 GMT. The Dutch consumer spending volume will be released at 4:30 GMT. The UK's 30-year bond auction at 10:30 GMT. The US Fed interest rate decision at 1800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.